Now I am going to chat with Vidyaran in Telugu. I want to learn about valuation. Let me ask, what is valuation in Telugu? You can see it answered me in Telugu. Let me ask another question. It showed me how to value a bank in Telugu. In this way, you can chat with Vidyaran in Telugu.